Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. Firstly, go into tab menu and look for Auto Rotate icon, then click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same icon. You can also go into device settings, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, and scroll down again. Over here, you can manage auto rotation by tapping on the switcher next to auto rotate feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!